Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to draw lines between points in MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. So on the channel I've already done this with some 3-point arcs, but now I'm going to draw some straight lines, and if you want to see that 3-point arc video, I'll just link to it in the top right corner. But what I'm going to do to begin here is you can see that I have shot some points previously in this job, and I'm going to want to connect them all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on point 9 here, and then select my pencil icon. And you can see that my line type is straight and that my start point is number 9. And if I click to point 7, you can see now that my start point has moved from 9 to 7 and I can continue drawing. So if I go from 7 to 8, 8 to 15, 15 to 12, and 12 to 6, you can see that I've drawn these straight lines through all of my points, and I can go back and forth which way I please. If you want to know how to delete a line you've drawn, I'm also again going to link to a video in the top right corner. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you draw a straight line in MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel or in the surveying space, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.